Hello YouTube, that clock guy 432 again. I'm going to do another Westminster competition, but it's not going to be a competition actually. I'm going to show you all a clock that I made on the keyboard. Just make sure that's okay, and I'm going to... The Daniel Dakota is also going to chime, so we'll feature it. I'm going to actually feature another clock I made. It's another grandfather. Well, actually, yeah, it's a grandfather clock. A lot of, like, your Monty Edwardians, your Ridgeways, and some of your other clocks, like your Gustav Becker. I'm not sure Gustav Becker actually does that one. But I might feature a Gustav Becker sound. But anyways, I'm going to turn the clock on. What I'll do is I'll wait for the Daniel Dakota. Well, I'll turn it on anyway. And I will come over here to the Daniel Dakota. I'll let y'all hear it chime. But there's the clock. I'll let y'all hear the Daniel Dakota first. And actually, I guess the clock on the keyboard is actually an urgos clock. So yeah, that's actually the clock that y'all are going to hear on the keyboard. So it's actually an urgos clock. And there it is. There's the Daniel Dakota. And over here is the electronic urgos. Alright, so there's the Daniel Dakota and the electronically produced urgos grandfather clock. So there it is. Yes, this is not a real grandfather clock. This is actually the Korg Cross keyboard, which is synthesizing the urgos movement. So there we go. There is our, I wouldn't say Westminster chime competition, but it actually kind of is. But I'm just showcasing the clocks chiming. But anyways, there we go.